On Instagram? Wait, how old are you?
I'm 13.
Wait, you're 12 years old, 11 years old. You have an Instagram?
I'm 14. I'm 8 years old. That's it. I'm 14. Hey, follow me on Instagram. Jacob Saucy Man, bro.
What are y'all doing out here?
Just trying to get buddy for our football team because we're going to
man.
Edit this video, bro. Edit this video for real.
Y'all want to come help these kids out for the football team? For Ella and 610. I'll see y'all later. Y'all take care, alright? See ya. What's going on, guys? So we just pulled up to AFC where DD is. Technically, this is the first meet where the S2000 has been. I didn't take it to Coffee and Cars this morning. It was a bit too damp. I love my car so much. All right, let's see what this location, this show, this thing has to offer. Hey, all right. So this is AFC. I've never been here. Dope location. Look at this. It's all looks very, very real. I think it's HL1Z01, something like that. He's a cool guy. He comes to the shows. I haven't seen that demon before though. Supercar right here. This is gonna be it, guys. I'm telling you. I mean, well, actually, I think this is the second gen Gallardo. My first one, I want to be a first gen Gallardo. Clean GT3 RS. Love this blue. That's so pretty. All right, new M5. Looks great. 997 turbo. Ooh, look at this. Or it's got a little splitter. It's got a wing on it. Damn, this is pretty badass. All right, let's go inside. Got the Senna 4GT. So cars are super pretty, but I have to give it to them. But the prettiest thing here is definitely this facility. I mean, this facility is gorgeous. I like the all white walls, and they got the lighting here. It's just a very, very pretty facility. I think that's what makes these guys stand out big time. 458, which is Quadricorsa, and there's the guy himself, that's Damon. So I spent the past like 30 minutes, an hour talking to Damon over there. He's talking to Heather now. Super nice guy, very humble. Talked a lot about rallies, cars, how he kind of started doing what he was doing before YouTube and everything. But yeah, it was awesome to meet a guy like that, and we're gonna have some fun later on today. It's freaking wing. I haven't been able to really get up close to this car because it's completely bombarded and crowded whenever it's at Coffee and Cars, but damn. Okay, and I'm just heading out from the AFC meet with Damon, and whew, there goes the 458 coming out, peeking a little bit. You see him? Man, Rudy's car is so nice. Well, I think that's where I'm gonna end it, guys. And if I don't, I mean, I'm gonna maybe go to a photo shoot right now. Oh, look, my car's the only one left. Oh, at least over here. So the car's over there, mine's the only one over here. I'm gonna go to a photo shoot, but if nothing happens at that photo shoot, guys, and this is where I'm gonna end it. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. You had a drive chain failure and then it didn't. So
no,
you're good?
It's just a glitch.
It's just a glitch?
Yeah. It's like, you know, sometimes you get a boner in class, but you're like, no, that girl's not actually that hot. It was just a malfunction.
Gotcha.
Your Brogan just drove straight over one of these curves. Yeah. Like straight up.
What a savage. Is your car okay?
Camera was on his spoiler. He was like, no, stop, no. There was a camera just sitting on the spoiler. But don't worry, he managed to break it later when he just dropped the lens off the camera.
Yeah, what?
I pulled it up to take a picture and the lens just goes right on the floor.
Yo, idiot. So
Oh,
we're at a photo shoot location right now. It's funny enough, this spot is actually like 5 minutes from my house, but S2000, S2 Bay, there it is. Got a Huracan. I have no idea whose this is. We got Will.
What's up, bro?
I went to middle school with this kid.
Too many years.
We got Arian's M3. What's on the other side?
That's my car.
That's a 235i. Got a 720S. Got an M4, GT3 RS, Heather's 570, and an old Mercedes.
Tony, that's not Photoshop.
Thinking here. This would be a badass shot right here. We're looking up cars right now.
Again, without adding me. Follow me at Arian M3.
Subscribe to PewDiePie.
What cars are these?
I don't know, but if I'm being honest, how do I find one of those?
Have one of what?
No, we can't film them.
Oh, how do you find a Heather?
Yes.
Arian's got
That's
a
like
big thing for Heather.
No, you can't. She's gonna watch your vlog.
Yeah, she is, and she's gonna know that my little big Persian friend has a
Does
big.
she have a daughter?
Turn his wheel the other way.
I don't think so. I know she's married. I can tell it'll procreate for you.
No, the age difference will be off.
You can
Yeah,
wait
by the
18
time you're
years.
40, she'll be 20, and that'll be just up your alley.
No, I'm not into that.
Why is Abel's always wearing some Christmas sweater looking shit?
Or right.
That's a good question. Abel's! Why are you always wearing Christmas stuff?
You good? Your hands a lot.
Oh. some reason we got all the cars split up.
Did that guy buy that Porsche from YouTube money?
Yeah.
Actually?
2K is chilling right there, right next to Will's 235. Arian's in 3 here, and we're setting up this shot right now. I don't know what Zach's doing over there.
Heather, can you get your lights on? Your
I don't know what's going on with that couple. Kind of fucking weird. Took a bunch of amazing photos of the S2000. His Instagram's gonna be right around here, something like that. Now I gotta move. Let Bongles take my spot. Oh, guys, oh my god. Oh, it looks so good. I'm so in love with this hardtop. I have to finish, I really have to finish this vlog. I have to put it out today. And then, yeah, maybe I'll see them later, maybe not. Oh shit. Damn, look at this fucking squad. Go, go, go. At the back of the pack. Now we're with the DD, some Imperial guys with Chassis Fab. Yeah, I thought we were just meeting up at Imperial Auto Salon. I thought we were gonna do some donuts and stuff. I don't really know what we're doing right now, but I just kind of caught them at the last minute. And yeah. Say, do you know how hard it is trying to film, drive manual, and film all this and drive? It's pretty difficult. I need a co-pilot. Damon's about to see if he can get this all-wheel drive GTR sideways, not only sideways, but doing donuts. Yeah, this should be interesting. All right, test run. Okay, donut time in the GTR. Let's see how this goes.
Holy shit! Wow, snap! Spin like really viciously. I've never seen that done before.
Looks like the tires are getting warm. That is what I am talking about. Look at that shit, man.
Are you Snapchatting our content?
We've done like legit all-wheel drive donuts. We've tried to do it in a Huracan and it freaks out. And this car freaked out the first 2 times, but once you got the right angle, which is like just enough that the car goes in circles, but still the wheel feels pretty straight, that's when it just was like a top, right? Like it just spins in one spot. No. Thank you so much.
Very welcome.
Houston, Houston, you've been amazing. Thank you, sir.
Watch, guys, watch out for the car.
Perfect. Cool.
Hey, one last one, my friend.
Yeah, come on, get in here.
Cool.
Hey, thank you. How you doing, buddy?
Right here, right here.
All the valets here.
I think that's where we're gonna call it. Great time watching Damon do some donuts. It was good fun. He's gonna come back and do a little bit on the Cobra, hopefully in the near future. But until then, you know, guess we'll keep the vlogs going. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Oh, shoot.